this prompt with a new style reference code, so it looks interesting. And once again, see, this is my favorite part of it. So this is the bedroom. This bedroom matches perfectly to this hallway. We could create a cool reel out of it actually. So just by experimenting with style reference, you now understand how cool this feature is. I really loved it, and I had once again a book of my own style reference codes because I created a lot and used it for my illustration references, or just used it for creating my first female and still use the style references for some of my reels, but they are more they are different from the usual ones that I do. They are Japanese or some designs, just because style reference is, impacts the prompt too much for it to stay visually the same with other reels that you do. So be careful with that, to not have, new style with each reel or new style with each image you post on social media. It just will look off when you look at it as a whole. So let's move on to the second topic of our lesson, and it's called image references. So this was style references, and I use image references. So you can find it here. Actually, you can find it here in image prompts. So style references, you can actually add a picture, but we talked only about the prompts right now. We will talk about this later when we want to use the parameter for changing the style completely and according to the image references. So I still think that it implies more to image section, not to prompting that we use here as the parameter itself. So for image prompting, this is a very, very curious thing to do, because we can actually change a lot. We can remove this one just to go back to our ordinary prompt with just a close-up skin. And let's try and do the image reference. So how I personally use it, I go to my favorite website, Pinterest. I think many of you already know this, and just try to find something that may help me. Let's say I see this image. We can save it, and we can use this one. Really like it as well. And you can see how much it influences the prompt itself. What happened. Choose this one. Now, so many adorable ladies out here. Very beautiful images. So you basically go to Pinterest and just pick the ones that you like to add to your prompt as an image reference. Still want this one. Why you're not downloading it? While it's being downloaded, let me show you how to do this. So we first upload a file. Let's upload this one. And it automatically, really love this, but it automatically goes to starting frame for video, but we don't need this. We use it as an image prompt. And just starting our prompt. You can change the aspect ratio to look more, let's say, the most convenient one. Oh, finally. So we also download it, and we'll also use it as an image reference. I use more than one typically, more than one. So 2 is fine. Let's see how the difference will be from 1 image reference and how it's different from 2 image references. So see, this is the original prompt, just to remind you, this is the original one. See, without basically anything. Profile is my personalization, but I don't think that, let's try it without it, will be much different. The whole idea will be the same. So this is the raw prompt, let's say. And see how different this is just from adding image references. This is where the magic is. I use it, I don't know, every time, because as I said to you before, parameters is parameters itself, like aspect ratio, stylize, even my favorite exp is nothing until you use actually style reference or image references. And I do prefer image references because once you, this is the raw one, even without my personalization, it's still pretty close to what we had, as I said before. So this is how they're different. We just added 2 beautiful women as image references, and it changed completely. This is where the magic is. prompt is same, parameters are same. Only thing that changed is just image references, and it applies to actually all. If we create this prompt once again, sorry, this one, and we can see that I actually used an image prompt here, just because without the image prompts, it will be not same. I need to use it once again just to show you the difference. The image prompts are actually everything. So once again, the base is always the prompt, the text. It's the base, no matter what you pinned as attached image picture, without the text, of course. So it's very important to text the prompt good, but it's even more important, or as much important, as pictures that you will add. So once again, this is the raw prompt, just without any image references. And this is with image reference, just because I lately did the commission for my customer, and they wanted an architecture, it was a design of a home with their bed implemented in it, and they sent me some image inspirations, and I realized that they actually want something very, very similar, but just not the exact copy. So I just added these image reference, and this image reference showed exactly Midjourney, what I want. So the first one was the text, and the second one was the image reference. We will talk about it more closely in the architecture section of this course. We will create it from zero, and here I'm just showing you how it actually changes the whole output, what Midjourney gives you. It's very, very important thing, and I can't say that I don't like the results in a row. Sometimes the raw results are good as well, but if you want to do something aesthetic, something unique, and something that cannot be done by only just text, image references are the best. So if you have an image reference, you can actually combine it. You can combine image reference with style reference. Let's find this one. It will be just interesting. By just typing, you automatically edit when you have an open prompt editor. So we can just try and combine this style reference, this code, with a prompt with already installed image reference in it, and see how it will turn out. So the possibilities are endless. This is what I'm talking about why I love Midjourney. The possibilities are really endless, and see? So whatever everyone will ask you, how did you do this? You will say that you firstly discovered a style reference code, then you uploaded some image references. So it's not that easy when someone asks you what prompt do you use. It's experimenting, it's finding the right code, because from millions of codes, we got this one. And if we didn't get this code, and I mean it, if we didn't get this code the time that we got it during this course, we wouldn't be able to produce this image, because we really wouldn't be able to do it without this style reference. This exact picture wouldn't be able to create it without actually discovering this style reference code. And this is what I mean by prompting, advanced prompting. This is not just prompting as text. This is not just prompting by adding some picture. It's all combined. It's experimenting, finding the right code, finding the right images for your prompt to get the result that would be stunning and would stand out. And once again, only experimenting, only creating your own images and varying it a lot will help you to master these skills. This is the base for image references, for style references, and as long as you will discover new codes and experiment with new images, you will find your style 1,000,000%. And this is how it works. So see you in the next lesson, and hope that this lesson was very helpful for you.